Okay guys, we got a 2001 Honda Odyssey here. We're going to be doing 3 motor mounts and 2 trans mounts on this. So if you need the other ones, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos and it'll take you to this Odyssey. There's 10 or 12 videos on it now. So if you're sitting at the engine here in front of it, here's the grill. To the left is the first motor mount that we're going to do. And I've already loosened it up a little bit here. So I had a 17 millimeter that I pulled out. That little bushing came with it. Right here I have two 14 millimeter bolts, and both of those came out. And now we are going to take off this 14 millimeter, that 14 millimeter, and that 14 millimeter. Clear that up for you. And so all these can get at with just a long extension, and we're going to use the impact and just buzz them out. So let me pull those three out. Again, the motor mount that we are swapping right now would look about like that. Sits in there just like that as well. So let's get those ones pulled out real quick and we'll get at it. Okay, so now we've buzzed out those 314 millimeters, and let me just tell you real quick, I forgot to tell you in the beginning, we placed a jack underneath the engine, and not enough to push it up and not enough to where it can drop down when it comes out. Just snug. And that way this comes out rather easily. So now we can pull this out. We can pull it out in two pieces and then we'll slide it over top the new one. Okay, just kind of lift and pulled this direction and it came right out. And the other piece stayed in there, so we're good to go. Now we probably could have got away with leaving those two bolts, but then you've got to move half of this stuff in order to get that maneuvered out. By allowing this to flex even that much, it's enough to get it out, and those two bolts are easy to get at. So I recommend you do those two bolts and the long one. So now, out with the old, in with the new. Let's grab the new one and stick it in there. Okay, so we set the other one down inside there. You can see those two holes are lined up there, and our 314 millimeters. We can run our 17 in the side and those two, and let the engine back down. And that's it. So you're just running it backwards at this point. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like and please click subscribe. If you need the other motor mounts, please click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and you'll grab whatever you need on the Odyssey. Please leave in a comment if you need, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a bunch, guys, and as always, enjoy.